Yeah, welcome to Staff Selection Commission coaching here. So, the topic which I am going to take here is time, speed and distance. Next problem. So, this problem is based on police, thief. Which person would chase which person? Obviously, the thief runs, the police chases. So, look at here. The thief is noticed by a policeman from a distance of 200 meter. I am here, I am the police. I am just looking at the thief. He is a distance of 200 meter. Thief here, police. So, distance between them is 200 meter. I saw the thief. Okay. So, then what happens? Upon seeing me, he just running. I am just chasing him. Okay. The thief starts running and the policeman chases him. Okay. The thief is running at a speed of 10 km per hour. Okay. I am just running at a speed of 11 km per hour. Which means the question asked here is, what is the distance between them after 6 minutes? He is running, I am chasing. So, after 6 minutes, what would be the distance between them, between us? Okay. Now, the distance is 200 meter. Okay. Let us check. After 6 minutes, what could be the distance? Okay. So, first let me solve conventionally and then using this relative speed concept. Okay. So, what is the speed of police? Police moving at a speed of 11 km per hour. So, 11 km per hour converting into meter per second means into 15 by 18, sorry, into 5 by 18. Okay. So, with this speed, I am travelling for 6 minutes. They are asking after 6 minutes. So, 6 minutes convert into seconds, you will be multiplying by 60. So, this is the distance travelled by police in 6 minutes. So, you will be getting 6 ones are 6, 3s are 3 ones are 3, 20 times. So, 55 into 20, you will be getting 1100 meter, which means from this point, okay, the police would go for 1100 meter. So, what about thief? He is running at a speed of 10 km per hour. So, 10 km per hour convert into meter per second into 5 by 18. So, for 6 minutes, what could be the distance travelled? 6 minutes converting into seconds, multiply by 60. 6 ones are 6 threes are 3 ones are 3, 20 times. So, when you multiply 50 into 20, you will be getting 1000 meters. So, thief would be running 1000 meters. What is the distance between them now after 6 minutes? 1100 minus 1000, which is 100 meter. So, police has travelled 1100, thief has travelled 1000. Do not think that police has crossed the thief and running. His aim is to catch the thief. So, look at here. Previously, distance between them was 200. The thief has run 1000 meter here. Okay. The police has run 1100. Okay. So, 1100 minus this 200, you will be getting 900. So, 900 at this point you will be the police and the thief at this point. Distance between them is 100 meter. Okay. Distance between them is 100 meter. So, after some more minutes, definitely he will catch the thief. So, distance between them now is 100 meter. So same question, how can we solve using relative speed? Yeah, two persons are moving in same direction, police and thief. Police moving at 11 kilometer per hour, thief moving at 10 kilometer per hour. So they are moving in same direction. So relative speed is difference between them. 11 minus 10, 1 kilometer per hour. Convert into meter per second, which will be getting 5 by 18. Okay. Okay. So after 6 minutes, so with this speed, they are moving for 6 minutes, converting into seconds. So the distance here is, this is speed into time, 6 minutes. This is 20. Okay. 6 3s are 18. 3 20s are 60. So 5 into 20, you will be having 100 meter. So distance between them is 100 meter. So for police thief sum, directly use relative speed. You will be solving the sum more easier. Okay. This is the basic method, and this is using relative speed. Okay. With this, I am just moving on to next problem. A thief steals a car. Okay. He is stealing a car at 1:30 p.m. Okay. At 1:30 p.m. he steals a car. Okay. And drives it off at 40 kilometer per hour and moving at a speed of 40 kilometer per hour. Okay. So now the theft is discovered at 2 p.m. At 2 p.m. only, the owner of the car is discovering that the car is missing. Okay. And the owner sets off in another car. He is taking his friend's car. Okay. Telling that my car has been lost. So he is chasing at 50 kilometer per hour. So he is moving at 50 kilometer per hour. So he will overtake the thief. Overtake. So which means he is going, overtake and stopping him. Okay. So look at here. The owner is spotting that the car is missing at only 2 p.m. and chases at 2 p.m. which means for this half an hour, the thief steals the car at 1:30. Okay. Which means for half an hour, how much distance he would have travelled? So distance travelled by thief in half an hour. So 1/2, half an hour, into his speed is 40 kilometer per hour, which means in half an hour he travels 20 kilometer. He travels 20 kilometer. Now, which means at 2 p.m. the owner is here. He is starting and chasing the thief. The thief is here. Here also 2 p.m. At 2 p.m. the distance between them is 20 kilometer. Okay. So owner moving at a speed of 50. Owner is moving at a speed of 50 kilometer per hour. Now the thief moving at a speed of 40 kilometer per hour. So at what time the owner catches the thief? So time is equal to distance by relative speed. What is distance here? Distance is 20 kilometer. I am just writing here 20 kilometer divided by relative speed. They are moving in same direction. So we have to minus 50 minus 40, you will be getting 10 kilometer per hour. So when I divide, I get 2, which means after 2 hours the owner would catch the thief. So owner, when he started at 2 p.m. When he caught, after 2 hours, which means sharply at 4 p.m. he would catch the thief. Okay. First look at here. For half an hour, first find how much distance he travelled, 20 km. Now, the distance between owner and thief is 20 km. Owner moving at 50 km per hour speed. Thief moving at 40 km per speed. They are moving in same direction. So, relative speed is 50 minus 40. Difference between the speeds. Okay. And time taken is distance, which is 20 divided by 10, the relative speed. You will be getting 2 hours. After 2 hours, you will catch the thief. Okay. With this, I am just moving on to next one. Just have a look at it. Yeah. Look at this problem here. If the speed of the dog, if the speed of the dog speed is 1 by 11th of speed of train. Look at the first point. If the speed of dog is 1 by 11th of the speed of train, so train speed mentioned here is 561 km per hour. So train speed is 561 km per hour. So with this I can find the dog speed. Dog speed is 1 by 11 into 561 of train speed. When I cancel, I will be getting 51 km per hour. The dog speed is 51 km per hour. Okay. Now look at next point here. And a policeman was travelling at a speed of 76.8 by 17%, more than speed of a dog. Okay. First we have to find out what is 76.8 by 17%. So how will we convert? We are having a mixed fraction. Convert to fraction, which means 76 into 17, you will be getting 1292 plus 8, so which is 1300 divided by 17 percentage. So to remove percentage, what we have to do? Divide by 100. So divide by 100. So what happens? 0 0 cancels. So 13 by 17. So 76 8 by 17% means I am converting to fraction, which is 13 by 17. So what I have said, policeman was travelling at a speed of 13 by 17 more than the speed of dog. More means 1 plus 13 by 17. Okay. 17 into 1, 17 plus 13, 30. So 30 by 17 of the speed of dog. So look at here, dog speed is 51. What about police speed? Police speed is 30 by 17 of dog speed. Okay, this is 51. Now 17 ones are 17 threes are. So speed of police is 90 km per hour. Okay. So till now we have found the speed of train, speed of dog and speed of policeman. Now the question starts here. Look at here. The policeman crossed the thief travelling at a speed of 60 km per hour in opposite direction. I am here. The thief is travelling in this direction, opposite. He is travelling at 60 km per hour speed. Okay. Now the police, he had to travel for another 6 minutes. Another 6 minutes in the same direction before he could take a U-turn and start chasing the thief. Okay. Another 6 minutes before he could find a gap in the median where he could take a U-turn and start chasing the thief. Okay. After they cross each other, how long would the policeman take to catch the thief? So the question is as simple as that. So the police is here. Here we are having the police, and here we are having the thief. Police moving in this direction at 90 km/h, and thief moving in this direction is moving at 60 km/h. So in this point, the police has seen the thief here. He has seen him. So which means, so this police had to travel for 6 km. So from this point, he just can't come here. He just want to take a U-turn. Okay. So he had to travel for another 6 minutes. So from this point to here, it takes 6 minutes. Okay. Before he could find a gap in between the median. So this is called the median. The barricade between two roads. Okay. So from this he can take a U-turn. Okay. From this he can take a U-turn and start chasing the thief. Okay. Now what happens here? The police was here, thief is here. Okay. So police has to travel for 6 minutes to take a U-turn. So in that 6 minutes, the thief would have traveled till some point. What is the distance? So first let us see. Okay. For 6 minutes. For 6 minutes, police travel this what? Police travel how much distance? Which is 90 into 6 minutes. Let me draw it clearly here. Okay. So from this point, the police has to travel 6 minutes to take a U-turn here. To take a U-turn. Okay. Police moving at 90 km/h. Thief moving at 60 km/h. Okay. So in 6 minutes, distance traveled by police is what? Is moving at 90 km/h for 6 minutes. Convert into hours divided by 60. You will be getting, which means he travelled 9 km from this point to here. Distance is 9 km. Okay. So in that same time, in that same 6 minutes, what about thief? How much distance he would have travelled? So his speed is 60. So 60 into 6 minutes converting to hours. So he would have travelled 6 km, which means from this point to here, which is 9 km. Okay. So in the same time, thief would have travelled 6 km. Okay. Now look at the same distance would be here. The police is here. Okay. Now the distance between them, the thief is here. Now the distance between the police and thief is 9 plus 6, 15 km. So the distance between them is 15 km. Police moving at a speed of 90. Thief moving at a speed of 60. Okay. So we need to find out at what time he catches him. So the time taken is distance travelled by relative speed. Now they are moving in same direction. So distance here is 15. Okay. Distance is 15 divided by relative speed 90 minus 60 30. So in half an hour 1 by 2, which means in half an hour the police would catch the thief. But the question asked here is, after they cross each other, this is the point they cross each other. After they cross each other, okay, how long would the police take to catch the thief? So which means from this point we have to find the timing. So half an hour means 30 minutes. Okay. From this point to taking a U-turn, it is 6 minutes. Okay. 6 minutes from plus 30 minutes. You will be getting 36 minutes. Okay. The police takes 36 minutes after meeting him to catch the thief. 36 minutes here. That's it. So he takes 36 minutes. So now, so what we saw in today's class, we saw the formula for time, speed and distance. And then we saw how to convert them. How to convert and what are the units we saw. Units for time, speed, distance. Okay. And then we saw the average speed and relative speed. And we saw some basic problems. So from this topic you could expect around 2 to 3 questions for each exam. Exams like CHSL, CGL, if you are going for mains, you will be having 100 questions on max. So we can expect 3 to 4 questions based on time, speed, distance, problem on trains. So prepare well. We can see in next classes. Thank you guys.